Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new inventory piece to us. It is a 2025 Scout 240 Dorado. Have it in the shark gray hull color, paired beautifully with a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We do have the bimini top on this boat, and it's going to be powered by a black Mercury V8 300 Dorado. As we enter into the boat, we'd like to point out the full walk-through transom at the back of this 24-foot Dorado. We do have the tan sea deck to help with any slipping, give you good footing here on the back. Also going to have a freshwater and a raw water connect. Be able to spray down the boat whenever you're getting back from the sandbar or anything like that. We do have our ski tow bar here as well. Great place to be able to hook up for any water sports or anything like that. Do have 4 rod holders across the transom, as well as 2 cup holders. We do have a nice transom door to be able to cut off any pets or small children. We do have a nice seat here as well. Folds nicely into place. Great comfortable seating. If you wanted to give more seating as well, kind of an L-shaped feel, have another lounger on the port side. On the port side here as well, we do have a nice transformable seat option. Can fold down fully to pull into a sunbed. We have a cooler seat option underneath. And then if we wanted to flip around our port captain's chair here, have a nice table, be able to enjoy some hors d'oeuvres or some drinks out on the water. Have a nice summer kitchen setup here. We have our freshwater sink, cutting board, all accompanied by a Corian countertop. We do have our pull-out Yeti cooler underneath as well. At the helm, we have a 10-inch Garmin display, our Fusion stereo system, VHF radio with antenna, and also our Scout remote here to be able to control as you're walking down the dock also. Nice cubby storage, and once again, 2 more cup holders. Have nice storage here with some non-skid, as well as 2 USB chargers and 2 more cup holders. We're gonna have a port side head as well. We currently have the cover down below, but there is a freshwater sink and a head down below. Our battery charger right here. As you can see, we can cut off the bow if we would like. Underneath is going to be where our battery switches and more storage is located. Can also pair that with our fold over windshield here to be able to fully cut off the bow if you are in those winter months, extend your boating season. Nice seating here in the bow, very deep. You really feel like you're in the boat. Very comfortable, very safe, with some grab rails right here, very conveniently placed. JL audio speakers that are throughout the boat. We have 2 here at the bow as well. Anchor locker storage, be able to lock them in place and be able to stow our anchor away. If you'd like to learn more about this or anything else that we have here on the lot, please feel free to check us out at MarineMax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.